Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to download Venue application on your iOS device. The process is quite easy, so let's jump in right away. Make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, tap open your App Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Venue app and search. Look for the Venue application displayed on the screen right now, and once you see this interface, tap on the Get button to begin downloading the application. Now wait until the application gets downloaded and installed on your device, and once it is done, tap on Open. There you have successfully downloaded Venue application on your mobile device in a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.